Good day everyone. This machine is Breville Barista Express, which came with an issue with water leak. So I'm not an expert. I have never opened a Breville Barista Express and saw what is inside, but I have an idea. Today I'm just going to show you what exactly is the issue. You might have come across with the same issue before. If you do, please comment below. That will be helpful to me. I'm taking the challenge to open this machine and have a look at it, what exactly is causing the water leak. So before even I open the machine, today's video is about showing you exactly what the issue is. That's all I'm going to do today. Let's have a closer look, and you guys can advise me in the comments below what exactly is wrong. If you know, that will be helpful. And let's have a closer look. So this is the back side of Breville Barista Express, and the water leaks somewhere here or here. This is the portion where I've seen the water leak. Now this tank is empty. I'm going to fill some water in it and I'll show you where exactly the leak is. So let me fill and come back. Before I fill, the first thing to check is I suspect this valve. This little valve, when you push, the water comes out from the tank into the machine. This is the little spring valve. When it gets pushed, the water flows and then it locks. So I'm suspecting could be this, or it could be this valve. I don't know. Let's fill the water and show you. So now I fill the water tank with half tank of water, and first thing I check is if there is any leak, and I don't see any leak here. Only when I press, the water comes out. It's working. That's the only time the water comes out. Now that there is no leak here, I'm going to install this and let's monitor it closely. Now I don't even have to switch on the machine, and if you wait for a few seconds, we'll start seeing the water leak. Let me get a closer view there. Oh yeah, there you go. You see the water coming out right there. You wait for a few seconds and it starts dripping. Okay, so I just took out the water tank and see, and it stopped. There are a few more drops coming out. So this is where the issue is. As soon as I install the water tank on this, it will leak right there. So I'm going to clean up this mess, and then I'm going to use another water tank just to be sure it's nothing wrong with the valve on the water tank or here, just to rule out that. So let me bring another tank and I'll keep this aside here. Okay, so it looks clean, and this is the other water tank from my other machine, Breville Barista Express, and it has some water in it. I'm going to install this and see what happens. There is few more drops coming out. So let's install the second tank and see if it makes any difference, and keep watching here. It should come out in a few seconds. If it's the issue with the internal component, then it should come out, or else I can conclude it's something to do with the water tank. So Nothing so far. Oh yeah, started. So that's around 20 to 30 seconds, and then it started leaking right here. That's almost right in the middle, somewhere in the middle left of the machine. That's where the leak is. So let me take it out, the water tank, and I'll leave it aside. So now I can conclude that there is nothing wrong with these water tank. It's something to do with the internal component here, or it could be something to do with the valve here. I'm also suspecting it could be something to do with the tube, where the o-ring is not working properly and it will need some replacement. So I'm hoping it's something minor and nothing major. So I'll have to open this part and see what exactly is wrong. But before I do that, if you have a similar issue like this, please do let me know in the comments below. That will really help me, and then I'll be able to address those issues. If not, then I'm going to open and have a look at this machine. Also, I don't see any obvious damage in the water inlet valve. It looks good. I can see some water around, which is normal, but I don't see any other damage. Now I'm going to switch on this machine. It is not recommended to do that because there may not be enough water pumping up to the boiler. So anyway, I'm going to take my chances. I just want to see the symptom first. So I'm going to plug it in, okay, and then install the water tank, and I'll be very quick. As it is leaking, I'll switch on quickly and try to run some water. Now, okay, the pump was struggling. It sounded a bit different from the normal sound, definitely. So let me run. Okay, I don't want to overstrain, but I could see few drops of water coming out from the group head. So the pump is struggling and it's not getting enough water from the reservoir because of the leak. It makes sense. That's another sign of this problem. So let's see if we can fix this. Now I don't want to switch on the steam mode or the water dispenser mode from here because I don't want to strain the water pump. I'm sure it works, but it struggles. There's not enough pressure while pumping the steam. It takes a lot of time to build up the steam. Even the water dispenser, it struggles. There'll be hardly few drops coming out with some steam. So definitely I don't want to mess up with the water pump, which works for now. So that's all I can show you for now, because you don't want to switch on the water boiler without water in it or enough water in it. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see what exactly is inside this machine when I open it. So keep watching my channel. If you are new to my channel is mainly about coffee related things and Breville machine. I'm not sponsored by Breville or some other company. I just do it as a hobby. So please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.